According to statistics, 85% of population suffers from low self-esteem, which skin concerns happen to be one of the causes. This is why Aish Naturals made it our own priority to restore self-confidence while looking good through natural skincare products. My name is Adebayo Aisha, and I'm the founder of Aish Naturals, a natural science-based skincare products company aimed at nourishing and restoring self-confidence, which aligns with SDG goals 3, 8, and 12. Our product ranges from cleansers, moisturizers, serums, scrubs, and lots more, which are produced using natural plant extracts that are clinically proven to deliver visible results. And also, our products add empowerment and increased confidence value to our customers at large. We intend to kickstart our NAFDAC registration as well as produce all our products in small sizes. This is to encourage average income earners to afford our products as well as distribute it across supermarkets. Winning Building Ibikule Foundation grant is going to enable us get more machineries and then impact life by creating job opportunities. Thank you.